Taking a single bite of food triggers a biological engineering sequence so complex it rivals a modern industrial processing plant. Deep inside your torso, a continuous hollow tunnel winds through your body. Once you swallow, your meal enters an enclosed pathway that doesn't end until the waste finally exits. This is the alimentary canal. As this diagram shows, this single, uninterrupted tube stretches an incredible 9 meters from the mouth all the way down to the anus. Simply pushing a solid object through a 9-meter pipe won't provide nourishment. The body must systematically dismantle that food into microscopic nutrients while ensuring its own internal organs aren't dissolved by the very chemicals used for the job. This requires a synchronized partnership. Digestion relies on this physical 9-meter tube working in total harmony with a secondary network of chemical secretory organs known as digestive glands. The physical journey begins at the very top of the tube, the mouth. Here, the body activates its first chemical processing station, the salivary glands. According to the functions table, these glands secrete saliva containing amylase. This enzyme immediately begins the chemical disassembly of carbohydrates before the food even clears your throat. The food then drops down the esophagus and enters the first major holding zone, the stomach. The stomach functions as a volatile biological environment designed to obliterate solid matter. The architects of this environment are the gastric glands, which flood the chamber with powerful gastric juice. This juice contains 2 violent chemical agents, hydrochloric acid, or HCl, and pepsin. Together, they forcefully disassemble proteins and sterilize the food mass. While the food has been chemically scorched and mechanically churned into a paste, it's only prepped. The most complex disassembly of the 9-meter drop is still to come. As the acidic mixture enters the delicate small intestine, it requires immediate chemical support from organs located outside the primary tube. The liver provides this support by producing bile. As the chart notes, bile is essential for emulsification, the process of breaking down complex, stubborn fats. The gallbladder acts as a strategic reservoir, storing and concentrating that bile until the exact moment it's needed for digestion. The final major secretory organ to join the process is the pancreas. The pancreas performs a vital dual role. It secretes specialized digestive enzymes and, crucially, releases bicarbonate to neutralize the harsh stomach acid before it can damage the intestinal lining. These independent secretions from the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas all converge in the small intestine, working together to completely dismantle the remaining food particles. Once the nutrients are stripped, the physical 9-meter tube processes the remaining waste through the large intestine and rectum, eventually reaching the anus. The small intestine serves as the peak chemical hub, the critical intersection where mechanical transit and chemical glands perfectly align. The human digestive system is neither a passive slide nor a simple piece of biological plumbing. It is a dual system operation. Survival depends on the physical alimentary canal working in total harmony with the chemical digestive glands. This requires flawless, automated timing between the mechanical movement of the tube and the precise chemical injections from the secretory organs. The next time you take a bite of food, you are activating a massive, precisely engineered 9-meter disassembly line hidden right inside you.